Y'all already know what time it is. Once you see this, y'all already know what time it is. Say it with me. Say it with me now. Hold on. Woo! Cathie mother wood. Ooh, Casamigo tequila. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, we're gonna be talking about Cathie Wood's brand new space ETF. Yes, that's right. She's finally going to space, and I picked up 100 shares of her new ETF. I'm going to tell you guys all about it in this video and how I got inside this ETF before it even launched on Robinhood. I'm about to give you guys a little tip that I got to where I'm already in profit on her new ETF. I bought 100 shares of her new space ETF before it even hit the Robinhood platform. That means once it hit the Robinhood platform and all those new users, all those retail buyers start to buy into her ETF, I was already in on it, and my chance of profit just skyrocketed, went straight through the roof. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I did in this video. So make sure you stick all the way through the end of this video so you don't miss out on that easy little tip. And then we're going to go over her new ETF portfolio and the stock ticker symbol name and one of her largest holdings inside of her new space ETF. But before we dive into it, this is very important. This video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 each. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, I left a link to Coinbase down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on Webull. This is the platform that I used that I bought 100 shares of ARKX. That is our new ETF. Right here, the top one, ARKX, ARK Space Exploration. That is her ETF. I bought 100 shares before it even launched on Robinhood. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. That's why I highly suggest that you guys sign up for Webull. It's by far the better platform. So I bought 100 shares at $20.12. Once it went live on Robinhood, it went from $20 all the way up to $21. So I'm already up 4.5% in just 2 days, guys. That is amazing. I'm up $91.06. All right, so here's ARKX over on Webull. It's at $20.91. It's been going up ever since the day that I bought it. So to get in early on Webull, knew that my chances of profiting early on Webull was going to be way more than me profiting early on Robinhood. And let me show you guys exactly how I bought 100 shares of ARKX early. And then we're going to dive into the ARKX portfolio and see all of her holdings inside of her new ETF. It's an active ETF, guys. So I'm going to explain to you guys what an active ETF after I show you guys exactly how I bought these. So if you want to buy in on some of these stocks early, you want to go to your Webull account and click more. And then right there at the top where it says IPO Center, you click IPO Center. And when ARKX was about to come out, all you have to do is put in your orders now. It appeared on here first. You set your limit on what you want to buy it at. I set mine at $20.20. They got filled, and as soon as it went live, I bought it. And it was actually live on Webull for about an hour before it was live on Robinhood. So if you don't have a Webull platform, just make sure you sign up. It's completely free to sign up. You don't have to deposit money into it right now, but if you do want your 2 free stocks, go ahead and deposit that $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then do with it what you want to do. You could withdraw your $100 back out and just keep those 2 free stocks, but it's always good to get free money. Especially when I only really promote great platforms and I actually trust and use Webull. So this is a platform that I don't mind telling you guys to go out and use. So that's how I got my 100 shares of ARKX early. Let me go ahead and explain to you guys what an active ETF is, and then we're gonna dive into her ARKX portfolio. Okay, guys, so there's 2 different types of ETFs. There are passive ETFs, and then there's active ETFs. An active ETF is what ARK Investment does, is that they buy and sell different stocks almost every single day. If a stock is doing really, really good, they'll buy into it early, let it ride all the way up, and then they'll take profit from that stock and look for the next stock that is going to perform very, very well other than just buying the same stocks like the passive ETFs over and over and over again. Even though they are good, reliable companies, you're not gonna have any major gains, but you're also not gonna have any major dips on passive ETFs. That's why on active ETFs, if it's ran by the correct person, you're gonna outperform the S&P 500 almost every single year, as long as it's ran by the right person. And Cathie Woods have had the history of outperforming the S&P 500 over the last couple of years, guys. So I've been riding with her and her ARK investment, her active ETF portfolios, and it's been paying out in the long run. So let me go ahead and pull up the ARKX, her space ETF. Yes, we're going to space. We're gonna pick up her. We're gonna go through her space ETF and look at what position she holds and what is her largest holding inside of her new ETF. Here we are, YouTube, over on the arkfunds.com. This is the ARK website. If we go to active ETFs right here, like I told you guys, the active ETF, all the way down, this is her brand new ETF, ARKX, her space exploration ETF. We're gonna click on that right quick, and then we're gonna look at her top holdings. So this one, it says it's gonna have a weighted average market cap of $176 billion with a median market cap of $30 billion. And the portfolio manager is Catherine D. Wood. So Cathie motherfucking Wood. She's gonna be the portfolio manager of ARKX. So it's in good hands, guys. It's in good hands. The inception date is 3/30/2001. So like I said, in just a few days, a day or two, I'm up 4.5%, almost $100. And I do have 100 shares of ARKX. So we go down and we wanna look at her holdings. We're gonna click on fund holdings, the PDF. It's gonna come up. And as you guys can see, her top holding right here, Trimble. She has 8.6% worth of Trimble in here. Ticker symbol TRMB. We're gonna take a look at exactly what is that. She owned 384,000 shares, around $29 million worth of Trimble. And the next largest portfolio holding in here is the 3D printing ETF, PRNT. I think that's another ETF owned by her. And then it goes to KTOS, LHX, JD.com. They got other ones in here like Lockheed, Tells, Boeing, Nvidia, Amazon, Google. So if you guys want to check out this list, you could just pause the video and look at all of her 39 holdings. So right now she have 39 holdings in here. She's probably going to add more in the future. And if some not performing as well, she's probably going to get rid of some in the future until they start to recover, and then she'll buy back in. But I do think that she actually believes that these top 39 companies are going to help her make money. But there are some in here like Netflix that has nothing to do with space exploration. I think they're just in here right now to help her grow her portfolio with some cash, and then she's gonna dump Netflix in order to get something that actually has to do with space. But right now, she do have companies in here like Netflix. But Virgin Galactic, we all know that has to do with space. So some of these companies don't have to do with space directly, but they are going to help her grow the portfolio. So if we look at Trimble right here, Trimble is a Sunnyvale, California-based hardware, software, and service technology company. Trimble serves global industries in agricultural, building, construction, geospatial, nature resources and utilities, government transportations, and others. So, and then around $80.73 right now. So this is her largest holding inside her portfolio. If you guys want to look up more about what Trimble does, here's their website right here. All you got to do is go to trimble.com if you want to look more into this before you even think about investing into ARK ETFs, or if you just want to invest into what she's investing into right now and don't want to do the active ETF at all, then you could just look at her portfolio and handpick a couple of those space stocks that she got inside her space ETF. You could handpick some out that you like. If you don't like Trimble, you don't have to pick that one up. You could pick up a couple of other stocks, but it's readily available for you guys right here, all 39 holdings, but it's going to change every single day. Remember, it is an active ETF. And there we go, guys. I have posted a poll to all of my subscribers on whether are they going to buy the ARK ETF on day one, are they going to buy the space ETF after it pulls back a little bit, or are they not interested into it at all. And a lot of people said that they was going to wait until the price pulled back a little bit. I think $20 was a great value. I got in before a lot of Robinhood buyers got in. I told everyone in my Discord, everyone in my Patreon exactly how to get ARKX early before it launches on Robinhood. So if you guys want more tips like that, if you want to join my Patreon, the link is down in the comment section. Click that. Over there, I give out tips all the time on, and I post when I buy and sell different stocks all the time over there, and also on my option plays. So if you want to keep up with that, you can join the Patreon. But yeah, guys, I seen $20 as a fair value. If it do dip down a little bit to around $18, I'll pick up a little bit more. I'm going to continue to invest into this ETF over the next year or so, and then I'm going to let it ride out until she eventually doubles my money. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up button. It helps out this channel more than you could even imagine. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bring you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.